Hi guys, my name is Nikki and today we're doing Curious Kids from Home using a kit from your local library. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. This is a planting kit. So we have some seeds, a pot, and a little bit of soil. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and take my soil, open it up, and then I'm just going to use my pot to scoop some of that dirt right up. So I don't want to overfill it. I left a little gap right there. There we go. So now that we have our soil in our pot, and then kind of dust it off because I know that makes it a little messy, I'm going to take my seeds, and what we're using today is dwarf sunflower seeds. So they can be grown inside or outside as long as they're kept in a warm, sunny place. So to plant these seeds, and you should have 3, 1, 2, 3, I'm just going to take a finger and make a hole right in the middle of my dirt. Drop all 3 seeds right down in there, and then cover it back up. So we are going to water this next. So when you water the seeds, they get nice and moist, and then their roots will start to sprout. And the roots actually draw in nutrients and water from the soil, and then they will send a stem up straight out of the pot. That will be our flower stem, and the stem will be green, and it will start to grow leaves. And the leaves will see sunshine and use the rays from the sunshine to get nutrients and just lots of things that the plant needs, like oxygen from the air and carbon dioxide, all those things to help your plant grow. And once it gets tall enough and it's getting enough water and enough sun, your plant will start growing flowers. So once you have your seeds planted, you will use your cup, fill it up with water, and then pour that into your pot. So we don't want to overwater it. This is a pretty small pot, and you can kind of see this is about 1/4 of what the pot would be. So not too much water, but we do want to make sure our seeds are going to get wet. And then you can look at the bottom of your pot. It has a hole in it. So you'll want to make sure and keep it either on your plastic bag or setting on a step outside, or you could even put it on a plate. That way it doesn't leak anywhere on your tables or your counters or on your floors, because that would not be good. But once we have it watered and planted, we're going to set this in a nice, warm, sunny place. So I'm going to set mine outside on my front porch, but you can set yours wherever you'd like. And feel free to send us in pictures of your plants growing, and we'll see you guys again soon. Bye!